Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Hoop membership on app in 2025. So let's just get into the video. So for canceling a membership, there are two options, like if you are non-active membership, activated membership, it can be your activate membership. So first of all, let me tell you about the non-activated membership. So non-activated members can use a self-service option to cancel their Hoop membership uh, by following the criteria. Like, if the device is and has not shipped and you wish to cancel, you must wait until the device has been delivered. And if the device has already shipped, cancellation is no longer an option. Members must wait until the device is delivered to initiate a return. Once the device is delivered, non-activated members have 30 days to cancel their Hoop membership and receive a return label from the order status page. The account will be auto-activated after 30 days from purchase. If the account is auto-activated and you would like to cancel your membership, please see how to cancel your active membership. Okay, so first of all, you have to visit the order status page. After that, you have to enter the order details, select view or manage my order. After that, hit cancel my order. The return process will vary depending on the type of hardware, Hoop 4.0, 5.0 or MG, and membership. And let's just talk about how to cancel your active membership. So for that, you have to visit the membership section at app.hoop.com, and you have to click cancel your membership. At the bottom of the page, you have to select the multiple applicable option based on your membership and status. So within 30 days of receipt, you have to visit app.hoop.com, navigate to the membership section, select cancel, confirm cancellation, and continue with return process. uh, so if you upgraded your device like to Hoop 5.0 or MG, you may be eligible to gift your older device instead of returning it. uh, so outside the 30-day return window, you have to also visit app.hoop.com. You have to select the cancellation options like paid upfront 12 or 24 months. Schedule your membership to cancel at the end of your commitment period, and after that you have to pay off the remaining months in full or schedule cancellation at the end of the commitment. So cancel before your next billing date to avoid future charges. And that's it for today's video. See you on the next one.